Uh-oh, we got a tornado warning. Tornado warning? Seriously? Are you kidding me?
The National Weather Service of Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rutherford County in
Oh my
Middle
God, we're under
Tennessee,
tornado warning.
southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Rural Hill, or 11 miles southwest of Lebanon, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Right now.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Walter Hill around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's definitely us.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Milton, and Las Gases.
That's us.
This includes Interstate 840 between mile marker 61 and 70. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yes.
Strong thunder.